Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. It's Princess Clitin, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. It's another tutorial going down. We want to learn how to add a feature video and a trailer video. Yes, a lot of people have been asking how that gets done. So when you're on this page, when you get to YouTube, you're on this page, the first thing you want to do is get to your channel. You click on the tiny icon right at the top right hand corner and you get to your channel. Why? Because we have to get to where to start. Yes, that's how it's going to look like, exactly like that. And so our tutorial song, let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you start, you begin with customize channel. Hooray! Okay, so as you can see, we have home, we have videos, we have playlists, channels, discussions, and about. But what we really want is home, and we're already there. If you can see clearly, for returning subscribers, which is the feature video, is already highlighted, and you can also get to highlight for new subscribers, which is a trailer video. So to get the returning subscribers feature video, you just click on this or this tiny pencil at this edge. You just click on it, feature content. You click and that pop-up you get, and you choose the video you want for your featured video. You want your returning subscribers to see that, and then you save. Boom, there you have it. So anybody who is coming to my channel as a returning subscriber is definitely going to see this. Don't forget to click on done. If not, it's not going to save. So there you have it. Returning subscribers are going to see this video. And then let's go to the trailer video where it is for new subscribers. Same, you see this button right here, you just click on it and there's still going to be that pop-up, and you choose this video. I'm choosing just any video, you know. Save, and that one saved already. That was pretty easy. You don't need to look for any done because there's no done anywhere. And there you have it. There you have it. And so you have your video for returning subscribers and for new subscribers. So if you go to my channel, see how that video is? Yeah, you see there? Yeah, that's my trailer video, okay? And then when you go back to my channel, your channel, sorry, you're going to see this video. This is for returning subscribers. So anybody who is coming to your channel who had already subscribed to your channel, your old subscribers, they're going to see this one. And anybody who is coming to your channel as a new person who is just about to subscribe, they're going to see this other one. And what I always advise is, if you have a video you just uploaded, do the best you can to put it on the feature video, so that everybody is just going to get to know that when they're coming back, they just get to know that that's the newest video you've uploaded. And then for your trailer video, most people have their intro, which is perfect, pitch perfect. Sometimes as well, you can put a really catchy video on there about every and anything that is going to get the people hooked, and they're going to stay on your channel. If this has been very helpful, get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get all our updates. And I hope that in the comment section you can tell us other tutorials that you want us to do for you. It's on any social media platform. It could be YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever tutorial you want us to get, we're definitely going to get it for you. Until next time, I always get to say I love you so very much, but God loves you way more. Bye-bye.